To exchange a different folding tool, we should make the folded label out, completely out. Then we take off the plug. Then take out the label pressing and put it aside safely. Then take off the folding tool. Before take off the folding tool, we should be careful. We take off the cover first. We can see. We must make the folding tool folder under the parts. Every folding tool should be this procedure. Then we can take off the folding tool easily. There are two bolts on the folding tool side, to left side and right side. For every folding tool, there are these fixing bolts. And be careful on the folding tool. Only this folding parts has the heater, so we should be careful with the hot to hurt our hand. And if the machine work too long time, the related area can be hot. The holding method should be like this. Then we put the tool safely.